This the most revolutionary budget phone of 2025. The Nothing Phone 3A is an upcoming smartphone from Nothing Technology Ltd. Scheduled for official launch on March 4, 2025, during the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. It's set to shake up the smartphone market with flagship-level features at a surprisingly affordable price. But is it truly a game changer, or just another mid-range contender? Let's dive in. The Phone 3A features a semi-transparent design with Glyph lighting, maintaining the unique aesthetic characteristic of Nothing's product line. It boasts the 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process, ensuring efficient performance. It offers configurations of 8GB or 12GB RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 50MP main camera with OIS, a 50MP telephoto, ends with 2x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera with a 119 field of view. For selfies and video calls, it includes a 32MP front camera with an f2.5 aperture, ensuring sharp and detailed images. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, and supports 50W wired charging, capable of reaching 50% charge in 19 minutes and a full charge in 56 minutes. Runs on Android 15 with Nothing's custom Nothing OS 3.1 interface. The Nothing Phone 3A has a slim and lightweight build, measuring 163.5 x 77.5 x 8.4 mm and weighing 201 grams. It comes with an IP64 rating, offering dust and water resistance. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and dual SIM. The phone also features stereo speakers, but lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. With its powerful specs, premium design, and competitive price, the Nothing Phone 3A is shaping up to be a serious contender in the smartphone market. But is it enough to beat rivals like the Pixel, iPhone, and Samsung? Will Nothing finally dominate the mid-range segment? Let us know in the comments. Would you buy the Nothing Phone 3A, or is there a better option out there? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Stay tuned.